Hello guys, welcome to Carton Box channel. Today we are going to see about Bluetooth stereo speaker from Portronics. Before that, please do subscribe to our Carton Box channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Let's go. Coming back, Portronics SoundDrum PR871 is a compact, easy, portable, cylindrical shaped device weighing 300 grams and gives a good sound for wireless music podcast video. It comes with a stylish black color and has blue and grey color as well. It has a metallic grill outside to give you the classy feel. Regarding the Bluetooth connectivity, Portronics has given Bluetooth 4.2 to give you a good wireless experience. Not only with the wireless one, it has a built-in FM radio, USB pen drive, built-in microphone, and aux 3.5 to give you multiple connectivity options for your smartphone, laptop, and your computer. This speaker has water and dust resistant, for which they have given IPX6 international protection rating to protect the device. Here to be noted is that the device is protected against splashing and light rain and not immersed in water. Coming to the battery, Portronics PR871 has 1800 mAh lithium-ion battery, which means you can hear music up to 7 hours in single recharge. It takes up to 1 to 2 hours for the battery to get fully recharged. It has a built-in mic which allows you to take, reject and end calls coming to your smartphone. This portable Bluetooth speaker comes with 2x5W, which means 10W inbuilt stereo speaker, and has high-end amplifiers to meet the wonderful sound experience. This product has 1 year of warranty period as well. If you want to buy this product, please check out the link below given in the description and buy via Amazon. And if you are already using this product, please feel free to share your review so it will be helpful for others to buy this product. Alright, see you guys in another video. Please do support me by liking, share and subscribe to our Carton Box channel. Thank you.